Home improvement scams, shoddy work, big bills. Picture this. You've just bought your dream home and want to make a few upgrades. A contractor offers you an amazing deal and you're excited to get started. But after you pay them, the work is either poorly done or never completed. Home improvement scams like these are all too common, leaving homeowners with financial losses and unfinished projects. These scammers often show up unsolicited, offering discounts or claiming they have leftover materials from another job. They pressure you to pay up front or rush you into signing a contract. Once they have your money, they disappear, leaving you scrambling to fix the damage they caused, or worse, start all over. To avoid falling victim, always research contractors thoroughly. Check their references, read reviews, and verify their licenses and insurance. Never pay in full before the work is done, and be wary of deals that seem too good to be true. Contracts should be detailed and clear, leaving no room for ambiguity. Home improvement projects should be exciting, not stressful. Taking the time to vet professionals can save you a lot of heartache and money in the long run. Remember, a good deal isn't worth it if it costs you your peace of mind.